Okay, guys, first fish on a stormy day. You know, we may not be the smartest people out here, but we are people out here. I'll tell you that. I'm back at the same spot where I hooked onto a nice little snook the other day underneath the docks. We're doing MacDill with the wife over there. Yeah, we're gonna see if we can go ahead and catch a ladyfish and put it back on some 40-pound leader and see if there's anything that's hanging around. So we're gonna do what we did at the very end of that one video, and then we're gonna see if we can replicate that situation sooner, so that way we can provide joyful content for our viewers. Yeah, while it's thundering less than 5 nautical miles away from us. So yeah, let's see what we can catch. Get back in the water. That's 2 trout for me, and yeah, he's about 12 inches. Get you back in that water. The trout bite is hot, really hot. I'm talking smoking hot. And I'm not doing much here, guys, just kind of letting it sink to the bottom, kind of just slow popping it, seeing what's gonna come after it. Spending some time together. Yep. Atta girl. We are combat fishing today, guys. By combat fishing, I mean extreme dangerous fishing. We got lightning, we got thunder, we got thunder lightning. We got it all. And I can't stop fishing because the bite is on, guys. Twilight's over there using some live shrimp that we got. Nothing crazy, just some small ones from the bait store. There we go. Another ladyfish. There's lots of ladyfish, but I want one to go ahead and put on the live line right there. Yeah, the fly line, the live line, the line. Nothing crazy over here. I'm just bouncing the little Ned shrimp off the bottom, just kind of getting some action, and then I'll reel real quick. I'll get a hit, and then I'll set that hook, just like that. Ah, that was a perfect ladyfish. Maybe tighten up that line just a hair, because that ladyfish, they want to go after something quick. They are super aggressive. Oh, there was a little tiny tap. But the bite is on, guys. It is crazy hits at one after another. We are getting it. Oh. We are doing what we love, guys. We are fishing. This is how we do it. That's a gooder fish right there. That's a gooder fish. That's a gooder fish. That's not a gooder fish. No, not gooder fish. Telling you, always a bridesmaid. Yep. Get this guy off, put him back in the water, hopefully never see him again. I know, buddy. I'm here to help, kind of. I know I did this to you, but... Yep. Yep. Yep, yep, yep. That's your gaff tail catfish right there. Yep. Ugh. In the absence of towel, we have grass. And Twilight's over there being fancy using her jacket. Okay, 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 okay. It has been a morning, guys. Okay. But as some ancient philosopher once said, this too shall pass. I don't know who said that. Sometimes, you know what, those catfish will give you a good fight, and I appreciate that, because at this stage in the fishing life, I'm all about the fight. And if I can get on a nice bite that's with a good fight, you know what, that's a good day. So what if I get wet? So what? Let's do this. We're getting a little clearing in the rain right now. That afternoon showers have kind of finally passed us, but the bite is still on, guys. There's a lot of activity in the water. We just had something jump out of the water. Something's pulling my jig head. So I went over to the cruise jig head with a Z-Man Slam Shady 3-inch paddle tail. I have a 17-pound leader. Oh, there's a nice little yank. There's a gooder yank. That's what I was trying to get. It's one of those ladyfish, so I can put it on the line. And those guys are super aggressive. Super aggressive. Bite right now. Yep, we're on another trout. The rain has definitely... Ooh, nice. That's a signature release, guys, from the Twilight Zone. Signature release. The trout bite is back on. The rain has stopped. We are out here being a little bit more precarious, adventurous, audacious, voracious, salacious. I mean, the fishing is good. Look, they're hitting it on the way down. Oh, there's another one. There was another. Oh! So they're actually hitting it on the quick retrieve right now. We are getting them. We are getting them there, guys. Ooh. Ooh. The Ned shrimp. We are using that different color. It's like a root beer gold, I think it was the name of it. It's really getting the job done. It's doing work. We are working. We're like Rihanna right now. We are work. I hope I don't get sued. Yeah, just out here enjoying the day. Calm. We are at the high tide. There's another. Oh. We're at the, as they would say, the slack tide. Tide's about to change to go out. Kind of gives a little bit more of a different bite. Oh! But I need that ladyfish, guys. All right, I need it for that live bait. There it is. There's it. Oh, That was a gooder trout. Well, about that time, we came, we tried, and we did not conquer. Lots of little things all day, little red fish here and there, you know, a bunch of trout. Trout are everywhere. But it looks like the bite died down here in this afternoon. You know, it's getting to be closer to 5 o'clock, and dinner time. Gotta feed the kids, gotta feed the wife, gotta feed the dog, gotta feed the me. And so, gonna really just call it there. We'll see if we can get anything on the next time, guys. Thanks for watching. Appreciate your time. Hit that button. Boop beep boop 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 boop. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye.